In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When it's ready, launch it. As you can see, after that, I can learn all the information about my device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!